everyone, my name's Fran, and welcome to Fran's Friends. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy new year for 2025. Over the years, I've gained a passion for crafting and making things with my hands. And this year, I'd like to venture into introducing some of the skills and techniques that I have to other people in bringing forward maybe an item that you have had broken that's very sentimental to you and bring it back to life. So over the next several months or into next year, I'll bring forward projects that we can work on to look at the past memories as well as memories that would be created for the future. As an example, a Christmas ornament isn't just a Christmas ornament. It can be a treasure and an heirloom. So that's the focus I'm going to follow with, and I'll give you a few examples of what I mean. Memories are to be cherished. Many years ago when my father passed, I was given this angel, stained glass angel, which ran into very many incidents where it was broken and damaged, but I didn't have the heart to depart with it. So what I did was I took a few bits of material, some stitching, some beads, and I made it into something that I will cherish forever. If you turn it around, a little bit of felting, and it's something that I really am very proud of. So memories can be saved, but also memories can be created. Another thing that I like to do is I like using different media, different materials, and decoupage. And as an example, this bear is a memory bear, and he was made from a pair of old jeans that I used to wear way back in the 70s, and that tells you how old I am, as well as the collar and the jacket are from my husband's old shirts. So this, every time I look at it, reminds me of the time we spent together in our younger years. This particular piece was lots of fun to do. She's called Naughty in Paris, and reminds me of shopping. Every woman loves to shop, with her hat box and her fascinator. But one of the techniques that I used in this particular project, because I didn't have the color I wanted, was I did French knots for the entire fur part of the body. The little dress came from a blouse that I wore when I presented a seminar to a group of healthcare professionals. So every time I look at her, it reminds me of my previous work that I did. As you can see, my sewing machine is all ready. So what I would like to do is invite you all to go on a journey with me to recreate the past, live in the present, and make memories for the future. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to my very first technical video.